Hi, this is Ivan with Simple Sheets. In this video, we're going to do a step-by-step tutorial of our workload analysis template. This is one of over 100 pre-built and smart templates that we offer. Click the link in the description and try 5 free templates before you buy. Let's get started. The introduction sheet contains a short description about this template, sub-definitions of the key terms used in this template. Over here, we have a customization difficulty, an explanation of the sheets that come with this template, and some instructions on how you can utilize this template. And at the bottom, we have a short guide on using our templates with the compatible online services. This template allows you to create quick analyses on the manpower requirements for your business for any volume of tasks. We start in the database sheet. Here, we input the activity, whatever it might be, the lead time, the task lead time efficiency, the direct manpower required, and any remarks you might have. We can then move on to the workload analysis sheet. It's here where we log our available working days, fixed members, shifts per day, and net working hours for their corresponding months. Below that, we input the activity in the left side using the drop-down list, and input the monthly volume for the activity. The rest, such as the working time required, operation rate, and workers required, are computed for you automatically. In the top portion, we have some charts to help you visualize your data. We have here a workload distribution donut chart, which represents the division of workloads among your activities, the overtime days per month, and your aggregate members required per day per month, along with your direct manpower per shift and workload over time. To hide the chart area, click the minus sign on the left. And to maximize your work area, click on the full screen macro button. That's all for this template. If you want to automate your Excel processes and enhance your level of productivity, Simple Sheets, Advanced Templates, and University is the best tool out there. I'll see you guys on the next one.